Laundromat pricing is, I think, is a tricky question because a lot of it can be market driven and market specific. We've got some customers that offer free dry, which is unique, but they charge more per wash to allow the free dry. We've got customers that are definitely on the lower end of pricing because they feel like they've got competition all over them. They've got older machines, and so they're reducing their price to try to drive customers in. I don't know if there's a one-size-fits-all solution for that. Our experience is where we can really provide value is knowing the market you're in, knowing the competition around there, knowing kind of the average price per, let's say it's a 50-pound washer or a 60-pound washer. What is that price in your market? Because it's certainly different, let's say in Minnesota as it is in Oklahoma or Western Kansas, right? Those things, there'll be some price fluctuations, and there's definitely kind of a higher end and a lower end on that, depending on, what is the price. You have new machines. Is it a new laundry? Is it safe? Is it clean? You can demand a premium for those things. So we can certainly help you understand the market and where to set those pricing. Can we have flexible pricing? And the answer is, with new microprocessors and stuff, absolutely. We can run time of day pricing. We can run like Wednesday specials, let's say at Senior Citizen Day from 10 a.m. to 2 a.m. on Tuesdays. You can advertise that. The machines, then we can program them. Those machines will automatically adjust down for those days and then back up when the time expires. So that's where technology really plays an ad, is to help with your marketing. Can we offer those extra discounts, being able to keep track of your loyalty, whether, hey, 10, you get one free, is it do you get a free vend on your birthday, etc. We encourage and try to get our customers to invest in that, make the experience for their clients as friendly as possible, and create a little bit of fun, if you will, for those customers, that they feel appreciated and they're going to continue to come back, and that's their laundromat that they want to use.